What's going on, y'all? Today I'm gonna be installing these bumper fillers for my 89. Ordered this from Amazon and just got them in. So I'm gonna be doing a video on that today, on what all you gotta do to install these bumper fillers. It's about time. It's been a long time without them. Look real ugly. So let me get this installed. Okay guys, we got the headlight up out of there. And it's fairly simple with the headlights. These are the bolts right here that I'm about to line up. These are the 3 bolts for the headlight. Okay, and as you can see, okay, let me get this headlight for y'all right quick. Okay, so these are where those bolts would screw into. You got one there. Okay, got one at the bottom, but I don't think I had one on mine. Okay, you got one here. Okay, and then you got one on the side. All right. So there's one I removed. I don't think I had to remove that one though. But you'll be going over here in this corner, top corner up here, and then you'll be one in the middle, as you can see there, and that's it for moving your headlights. And then it'll be the same as the driver's side too as well. So, and then to remove the bezel, let's get some focus going on there. Right here, down there, right there in that corner, and then some focus right there, up there. Okay, so in the corner, you got those little screws. This is what I'm going to use to get that out. Alright, so we got that thing off. Got the bezel up out of there. Got some cleaning to do. Get all that crud up out of there. Got some cleaning to do to my bezel. But yeah, like I said, these 4 corners. That's how you get that bezel out. Down there at the bottoms. And use that so that will work. Getting that up out of there. And a piece of the filler right there. Yeah, so this is what I gotta get off right here. Yeah, y'all hear that popping off? Got my little LED in the corner. I think this grill gotta come out too, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop this grill out. I'm not sure on that, but oh, this bumper gotta come off too. So, alright, see y'all in a minute. Okay, so we got the grill out, we got the bumper off now. Got the bumper laying off over there to the side. And now I'm able to get to those bolts down here at the bottom of it. We got bolts running all along. Okay, and now I need to get to that side. Need to get that headlight out. So we're almost done. We're almost. So see you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, got everything off what we're supposed to have in order to get our fillers installed. We got the driver's side off of there. So now we can go ahead and install our bumper fillers. Well, filler that's over here that we got from Amazon. Now, I don't expect it to be a direct fit, but I at least hope for it to be. mean, that's what we want, right? Let me get this in over here. Okay. So let me get this on and I'll see y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, got that filler on there, and I like it. So down here I gotta find me some little bolts down there. Just got it mocked up for this corner piece. Just got it mocked up for now, but got this corner good to go. Yeah, I like it. I can get that bumper back on and really see how it's supposed to be. Man, bumper fillers is a big deal breaker. You don't got them, they don't look right. You know, I can see them the Amazon fillers. So alright, see y'all in a minute. I'll get one up later when I got everything back together. It took me about say about 30 minutes. About 30 minutes, you know. It ain't so long. So plus I had all this stuff already off, like as far as the bumper, and they had the headlights out before, but and the grill was basically one screw. So that's why it took me a little less, but I'm very satisfied with the filler, and it looks extremely better versus without any fillers. It looks poo-hoo. So to have the fillers on there completes, I feel like it's a complete car. All right, see y'all in a minute. So basically you guys, I just wanted to recap and go over basically what you're gonna be dealing with. As you can see, excuse me, let me get the angle right and the focus going. Those are the bolts that you're dealing with up under the bumper filler, all along the bottom side. Okay, and then the grill just sits on top of the filler, and then along with the bezel, it just sits on top. Okay, so this chrome sits right on top of that, so that's why you got to remove that. Okay, and then for that you got those corners, that one right there, and you got that one right there, and then that one there. Okay, so that's really it. I'm about to get ready to put this front bumper back on. So that's really pretty much why you're popping the headlights out, and you don't have to remove the header panel or nothing like that. I mean, you have to drop that bumper because, as you know, that bumper sits in with the filler, so you have to go ahead and remove that bumper any old way for an easy and simple install. So there you guys go. Going ahead, putting everything back together. Got the grill back on there, getting the bumper back on, and then remember when you're removing the bumper, you wanna your signal lights, you wanna take those out. That goes there. You catch a little hell when that bumper drops. So remember those bolts. I mean those bulbs. Remove those, and you'll be good. But if you're missing fillers, go ahead and replace them. It's a simple, easy job to do. It's not that hard, and it'll look good when it's done. And make sure you go down there, hit that bell notification. If you ain't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Just let me know if you got any more questions. I know that removing the actual fillers that the size I use was a 7. Okay, so removing the actual bolts up under the filler, those were a size 7. Okay, so other than that, 7. Then to remove the headlights was a 7/16 to remove the headlights for that bolt, and then it was a star bit for the bezel to remove. So those are the tools that you're using. That's it, pretty much. All right, let me go ahead and get this bumper on, you guys.